listen. Say, hey, Woo. It's close. Okay. Okay, it seems like you're awake now because I left you alone again with Felix. Were you being good with Felix, Wulf? Okay, I guess, you are more careful with Felix, right? Because you don't want me to ground you again, right? I love you, buddy. Hey, Wulf. Say it again. Hey, Wulf. Come on. Say it. Don't yell at me. Okay. You just woke up from nap. What do you want? What? Say it again. I don't know. It doesn't sound like treats. Is it treats? Okay, I'll give you treats, But say something. Like thank you, Erin. Not just growling. Wulf, what's going on? Out of nothing, you suddenly make noises. Hey, Wulf. I think I can see that you make an improvement with Felix. Okay, that's why I got you toys today. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? I guess you want cheese, huh? Because you saw, your dad ate cheese earlier. All right, I give it to you. Okay? And then say, thank you, Erin. Come on, say it. Hey. Look. I took you to the store, but you had to wait in the car. Did you like to wait in the car like that? Well, I'm sorry, buddy. I don't know why the stores here, most of the stores are not dog friendly. That's not good, right? Yeah. Who knows one day, the stores will accept dogs more. Okay, I love you, buddy. Are we gonna have a lazy weekend or busy weekend, Wulf? You want go to the trail? Well, if you want to go to the trail, it means it's a busy weekend, Wulf. Is that okay? Is that what you want? Okay. Then say, I love you, Erin. Say it first, and I'll take you to the trail. Come on, say it. Hey, Wulf. Wulf? Bless you. Wulf? Felix is not feeling well right now. Okay, so I want you to be extra gentle with Felix. No way? Dude, he's your brother from different mom and dad. All right, Wulf, just be gentle with Felix, okay? Okay. Keep me paw. Okay. Love you.